Sales funnels. We'll be talking about exactly what a sales funnel is, where it fits in, and some examples along the way that will help your business drive a ton of really good leads. My name is William Walchak. I'm the CEO of Hiilite, and I will tell you all about them. Stick around. So first, what exactly is a sales funnel? I'm sure you've heard digital sales funnel, different kinds of sales funnels, sales channels. I'm gonna give you a really simple one. There's a whole bunch of complicated ones, but it really breaks down into 4 separate categories. I'll introduce them right here. So we've got attract, convert, close, and delight. So the whole idea behind it is it describes your user journey. So your client's user journey from initially finding out about you, to becoming interested in you, to becoming a client, and then eventually becoming hopefully an influencer or someone who helps drive referrals to your business. So if you have any questions about sales funnels like this one or ones similar to it, and you want to find out more, make a comment down below. Or you can find me on Instagram at william.walchak or on LinkedIn. Or you can come to our website, hiilite.com. Thanks so much. Now, get off YouTube and get back to work. This series was filmed at Hiilite Creative Group Studio in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, and is made with the help of our creative team. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and check us out at hiilite.com.